Here, see the fraction. Here, suppose this is one complete pizza, full pizza. You divide it into 4 parts, and you are taking one part out of 4. So we can say 1 by 4. If you are taking 2 parts, this one we can say 2 out of 4. This 1 is called numerator, this 4 is called denominator, and here this 2 is called numerator and this 4 is called denominator. Types of fraction. There are mainly 3 types of fraction. One is called proper fraction. Proper fraction in which numerator is less than denominator, like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 7, 5 by 9, etc. Here 1 is less than 2, this is numerator, this is denominator. Same way 1 is less than 3, here 2 is less than 7, 5 is less than 9, etc. Now come for improper fraction. Improper fraction is that fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator, like 7 by 3. 7 is in numerator and 3 is denominator, and 7 is greater than 3. 4 by 3. 4 is numerator, 3 is denominator, 4 is greater than 3. 9 by 8. 9 is greater than 8. 6 by 5. 6 is numerator and 5 is denominator, and 6 is greater than 5, etc. Now come for the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction where this makes full number plus proper fraction. Like full number, like see 1 is full number and 2 by 3 is proper fraction. So 1, 2 out of 3 is called proper fraction. Same way 2, 1 out of 4, 3, 1 out of 8, 7, 4 out of 9, etc. is called the mixed fraction. In this one full number will come like 1, here 2, here 3 and here 4. After that next part will be proper fraction, like 2 by 3 here. Here this full number, this is proper fraction. This is full number, this is proper fractions. 3, 1 out of 8, 7, 4 out of 9, etc. Now I am telling you conversion. How can you convert improper fraction to mixed fraction? Example, convert 7 by 3 into mixed fraction. See this one. This is 7. Divide by 3. 7 by 3 is given there. Take 7 and this in denominator is 3. So 7 divided by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Then subtract this, 7 minus 6 is 1. This is quotient and this is the remainder. So this is 2. Here right here full number will be this here 2 and this remainder you write in numerator, and by what number you are dividing that write down. So mixed fraction will be 2, 1 out of 3. Same way one example I will tell you more. See this question, convert 31 by 3 into mixed fraction. See this one, take this one, 31 is numerator, that divide by this denominator by 3. Now 3 times 1 is 3, subtract this one, 3 minus 3 is 0, then take this number 1. Here 3 is greater than 1, so not possible read the table of 3 in 1. So we'll take 0 times, 3 times 0 is equal to 0, and here quotient is q is 10 and remainder is 1. So mixed fraction, this complete number, this one full number 10, then remainder here 1, then by what number you are dividing by 3. So 10, 1 out of 3 will be the mixed fraction. Now convert, I am giving one homework to you. Please convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, like 41 by 5, first one. Second one is 51 by 10. Third one is 31 by 6. And this is fourth one is 21 by 4. And this is fifth one is 21 by 8. Sixth is 16 by 5. Seventh is 18 by 4. And eighth one is 22 by 3. So please solve this one. Complete this one, solve that, Mika, and show me this one. Okay. Now conversion, mixed fraction into improper fraction. Another type of conversion, see, like this is convert 7, 1 out of 3 into improper fraction. This is mixed fraction. You have to convert into improper fraction. See, 7, 1 by 2. What you do? This one, this by denominator multiply in this complete number. So 2 into 7, I wrote that. then do this plus and what is in numerator, add that one. So this will be 2 into 7 and do this plus 1 by full by what number you are dividing, in what is in denominator, by 2, put that. Now here see, 2 into 7 will be 14 and plus 1 divide by 2, so you'll get 15 by 2. So answer is 15 by 2. Now see next one, see all the guys, this one, convert 4 2 by 9 into improper fraction. Another example I am telling, this is the mixed fraction. This 4 is complete full number and this 2 by 9 is a proper fraction. We need to convert into improper. So what you do, this one 9 into 4, multiply this one, this denominator into this complete number, 9 into 4 here plus 2 divide by 9. So you'll get 4 into 9. 4 into 9 will be 36 and here plus 2 by 9. So you'll get how much? 36 plus 2 is equal to 38 by 9. This will be the answer. So 38 by 9. Now conversion into equivalent fraction. How can you convert? How can you convert this one fraction into equivalent fraction? See, write 3 equivalent fraction given below. 3 by 7, 2 by 3, 4 by 9, etc. Now take this one, first one is 3 by 7. Take this 3 by 7 and multiply this one into 2 by 2. Do the 2 by 2. So 3 into 6, 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 2 into 7 is equal to 14. So 6 by 14 is the first equivalent fraction. Then 3 by 7 and take and multiply by 3 by 3. Now 3 into 3 will be 9 and 3 into 7 will be 21. So you'll get 9 by 21. Now 3 by 7 into 4 by 4. 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 times 7 is 28. So 12 by 28. So 3 equivalent fractions of 3 by 7 are 6 by 14, 9 by 21 and 12 by 28. This is the answer. If you want to find one more fraction, like you want to 4 fractions, suppose you want to find that. So again you take this 3 by 7 and you can multiply this 3 by 7 into this. Here you multiply 4 by 4. So multiply now 5 by 5. So you'll get 15 by 5 3 is 15 and 5 7 is 35. So 5 by 35 will be the fourth equivalent fraction. This way you can convert. Now see, another number is 2 by 3. You have to find 3 more equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 2 by 2. Same way do that. 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6. Here 2 by 3 into 3 by 3. 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. Again 2 by 3 into 4 by 4. So this will be 8 by 12. So 3 equivalent fractions are 4 by 6. Here you got that. 6 by 9 and 8 by 12. If you want to find 4 equivalent fraction, again you take this 2 by 3 and multiply by 5 by 5. So you'll get 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15. So 4 equivalent fractions are 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12, 10 by 15, etc. Answer. So you got the 4, this one. Now I am giving some homework you can do. Find out 5 equivalent fractions. First one is 1 by 2, second one is 3 by 8, third one is 7 by 8, fourth one is 5 by 6 and fifth one is 11 by 12 and last one, sixth one is 13 by 14. Now comparison of fractions. See, find out which fractions is greater. Put this greater symbol. I gave the question is 1 by 2 or 1 by 3, 1 by 3 or 2 by 7, 4 by 12 or 3 by 8. You have to put this symbol. This is greater or this is greater. This is greater or this is greater. This is greater or this is greater. See the method. How can you do this one? Now see, take 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, which is the first question. Cross multiply. 3 into 1 3, 2 into 1 2. Now you see 3 is greater than 2. So you have to put this here like this. which I put in the next step. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Same way, take 1 by 3 and 2 by 7. Cross multiply. 7 into 1, 7. 3 into 2, 6. Here 7 is greater than 6. So same thing you have to put here. Write this one, 1 by 3 and 2 by 7, and put the symbol like this one. Now 4 by 12 and 3 by 8. See here, cross multiply. 8 into 4 is equal to 32, and 12 into 3 is 36. And it's very clear that 36 is greater than 32. So write this 4 by 12, 3 by 8, and put this way. Now giving some homework for you. You can do this one. First one is 1 by 6, 1 by 7. Second one 2 by 3 and 3 by 8. And one more, take that. This is third one. Third one is 5 by 11 and 2 by 12. So this was the lecture about the fraction. I hope you guys understood very well. Okay, thank you. Bye.